Hi, this is John with WTI, and I'm currently working in restoring my motorcycle and everything. So I found this washing, grade, and waxing for my motorcycle. Something I like about this is that it's concentrated. I don't have to use too much, and it's already working. A little bit of water, put it in, and I scrub it into my motorcycle's hard spots when it has a lot of grease or it's hard to get the dirt off. Let it sit there for a moment. Water, pow, done. So it gives you this sensation that it has a wax, obviously, after it. And it's a feeling that is going to take care of your pain, is going to take care of your materials of your motorcycle or automobile. And it just works great. This is a product that is constantly giving his shine again to my motorcycle. And I feel so good while using this because I know that I'm using quality, that is not going to take or chip the paint from my motorcycle. So if you're looking for a great soap that is going to be working perfectly for your automobile or your bike, this one works great. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.